Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut off the suckers on tomatoes, on which tomatoes you can cut the suckers and on which you can't, and also which sucker should never be removed so as not to reduce your yield. This method is only suitable for indeterminate tomatoes. In simple terms, for tall ones that grow from 1.5 meters to 3 meters or from 1.5 yards to 3 yards. The main harvest on such tomatoes is laid on the central trunk. The yield on the suckers will be less, and if they are not removed, the tomato plant will overgrow very quickly. The harvest will be small, and there is a very high probability that your tomatoes will get sick. Low-growing, determinate tomatoes need to be pruned, but I will talk about this in the next videos. It is not advisable to break out the suckers with your fingers because this will lead to even more stepsons on the tomato, and the stepsons should be removed while they are still small, while the plant has not spent a lot of nutrients and strength on them. This is the right time to do it, and to prevent suckers from growing again after they are removed, you need to leave a small stump in the internode between the trunk and the leaf, so that a sucker will never form in this place again. Removing the suckers not only allows the plant to increase its yield, but also the tomatoes themselves will be larger. So this technique also allows you to accelerate the growth of the tomato plant, because the plant will not waste its strength and nutrition, and growth of these suckers and all the forces will go to the top and the tomato will grow up quickly. Also, on tomatoes, it is imperative to remove the lower leaves, especially these. These are the leaves that grew on the seedlings. They are pale, they are frail, and they no longer work for our plant, and it does not need them. These are the 2 or 3 lowest leaves. We remove them, and we will also remove the leaves on the tomato in season, and I will talk about this in the next videos. And one more thing I promised you at the beginning of the video is to tell you about the sucker that should never be removed if you want to increase your yield, and this is the sucker that grows under the first bunch and grows not as a simple sucker, but as an extension of the trunk. It is very strong and powerful, and I always grow my tall tomatoes in 2 trunks, so I get twice as many clusters and twice as much yield. You don't need to leave more than 2 trunks. It will be a big load for the plants and the tomato. It will lead to the fact that the tomatoes will grow smaller and take longer to ripen, and thus you will start getting the harvest earlier and it will be large. So if you have any questions, ask in the comments, but be sure to cut off the suckers like this. I wish you a good day, and I will see you in the next videos.